Did you know that 10 to 15% of the population moves every year, which means 100% of your database knows at least one person that will be moving this year? And in this video, I'm going to share my top 3 email marketing secrets that you can start implementing today to ensure you stay top of mind with your audience to gain those referrals. My name is Matthew. I'm a digital marketer that helps real estate agents grow their brand through video marketing. I post videos here every Thursday around personal development, real estate, and marketing. So make sure to subscribe to not miss any future videos and drop a like if you gained any bit of value. Before I hop into the 3 tips that I'm going to share today, let's look at some statistics that really highlight how effective email actually is still in 2020. Did you know that email is 40 times more effective at acquiring new customers than on Facebook or Twitter? A study done by the Marketing Sherpa shows that 72% of people prefer to receive promotional content through email compared to 17% who prefer social media. In the most recent Chief Marketer study, it was shown that email's ROI was 28.5 compared to direct mail, which was only 7. With statistics like these, there's no way to dispute that email marketing is an effective tool to stay top of mind with your database. However, too many agents fail to capitalize on this tool for a variety of reasons, either due to lack of inconsistency, improper value that doesn't connect with their audience that's there, as most real estate agents are professional experts at gathering contact information. However, you really start to lack on the follow-up information, whether that's because you've just gotten too big and you're spread too thin, or because you don't have the right automated systems put in place. Tip number 1 is to segment your list. As you as a real estate professional know, you're going to be dealing with a variety of different clients, and therefore each different type of client needs a different messaging sent to them. So when you segment your list, you're going to be now being able to provide more irrelevant and valuable information to those clients. So some ways you can segment your list is by buyers or sellers, maybe investors or retirees looking to downsize, or it could be in the particular cities you work in. Whatever it is, make sure that you segment your list so that you're providing the users that are on each of these lists with valuable information that they are going to enjoy. And when you do this, you're going to see higher open rates and more engagement with your emails. Tip number 2 is to make sure each email has one call to action, as if you ask the reader to do 5 different things, they're going to get confused and close your email. If you look at the most successful campaigns, they all have one commonality, and that is that they have one call to action, and a simple call to action that their user could take today. Tip number 3 is to know your customer. Now that you've segmented your email list, it's time to start crafting a message for each of these different types of customers or professionals you are staying in contact with. Each of these types of groups are going to have different desires, pain points, interests, and hobbies, and you want to write all these down to ensure that you can create content that is relevant and interesting to them. So if your target market is families, you might want to try to center your content around activities that families can do within your city, community events that go on. It could be any schools that they might find relevant, or community centers that they can go and engage and have a fun family time. Now, if your content is more geared towards investors, you might want to talk about the different types of investments you can do within real estate. You could break down a home renovation project that you yourself might be doing, or it could be just talking about general business meetings or meetups or networking events that happen within your local community. And finally, if your target market is retirees, you may want to talk about the 10 tips that you need to do before downsizing your home or retirement social clubs. These are all great contents that are highly specific to those users in your email list. So there you have it. Those are my top 3 tips that you can start implementing today to help stay top of mind with your email database to gain those referrals you are looking for on autopilot. If you gained any bit of value in this video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to not miss out on any videos that I'm going to publish here in the future around personal development, real estate, and marketing. Now, as you can see off to the side, videos that YouTube recommends.